It's not good afternoon. I should say good morning. So, okay, this is day one of our Unit 8 weather climate. Okay. Okay. So we're on week 2. Okay. So it says let's combine science and reading skills to study the weather and climate for this unit. And today we did our we recorded the temperature, which was 44 degrees. Okay. So we're going to read this first. And we're going to read this. It says read how Indian summer began. Listening for literal and non-literal language. Okay, and then we're gonna work on page 20. But before that, let's watch this video right here. So in your booklet, go to page 20, and we're gonna read the story the story that says how Indian summer began. Okay, and listen to the non and literal language. Okay, follow along. We're gonna read how Indian summer began.
Word study, read.
read.
Remember
Remember to annotate
read.
as you read.
How Indian summer
Indian summer began.
Long ago,
Long
there
ago,
was a
there
generous,
was a generous
and
and
grateful man
grateful man named
Nod.
Notkakad.
He was a
He
good
was a
farmer.
good farmer.
One year,
One year, though,
there
there was a late frost, and his garden died.
He planted
He
it
planted
again.
it again,
Then
and
there came a
then there
drought.
came a drought.
Again, he
Again, he planted,
but the cold
but the
autumn.
cold autumn came and killed the plants.
Notkakad
Notkakad
was
was
very
very troubled.
His family
His
had
family
gathered
had
berries
gathered
from the
berries
forest,
from the forest,
but without
but
the dried
without the
corn,
dried corn,
squash,
squash, and beans,
they would
they
not
would not
survive the cold.
survive the cold time.
The leaves
The
were
leaves were falling from the
the
trees,
freezing
and the
winds
freezing
blew.
winds blew.
One night,
One
he
night,
spoke
he
to the
spoke to
master
the
of life.
master of life.
I have
I
always
have
been
always been
thankful
thankful
and
and
never asked
never
for help,
asked for help,
but I
but
feared
I
for my
feared for
family.
my family.
What can I
What can
do?
I do?
Then he went to
Then he
bed
went to
and
bed
dreamed.
and dreamed.
In his
In
dream,
his
the
dream,
master
the
came
master came to him.
giving
I am
you
giving
these
you these
special
special
seeds,
the master said.
also
I am
giving you
also
a
giving you a
time
time
to
in
plant
which to
them.
plant them.
When
When
Notkakad
Notkakad
he
awoke,
found
he
the seeds.
found the seeds.
He went
He went
outside.
outside,
Though the
and
leaves
though
were
the leaves
still
were
falling,
still falling,
the
the weather was
weather
now as
was
warm
summer.
as summer.
He and his
He and
family
his family planted
all
all the seeds.
the seeds.
The next
The
morning,
seeds
the
had
seeds had
already
already
germinated.
germinated.
Green shoots
Green
rose
shoots
out of the
rose out
soil.
of the soil.
The sun
The
rose
sun
and set
rose
again.
and set again,
Now
and now the young plants were already waist high.
So it went
So
from
it went
day
from
to day
day to
as
day
the
as
special
the
seeds
special
given to
seeds
him
given to him
grew
grew
rapidly
rapidly in only a
of days
handful of days of
in
the
summer.
Indian summer.
Build
Cool. Awesome. So then now go to page 12 in your packet. All right. So now you're going to your weather and climate booklet. All right. So go to page 12. That's this one right here. So we're talking about, says we already read how Indian summer began and look for the use of non-literal and literal language that the author uses to explain. Okay. So here's a detail from the text. Okay. It's going to be a lot of writing, so be ready. In his dream, the master came to him and said, I am giving you these special seeds. The master said, sorry, put quotation marks in front of this. My bad. Da-da-da. I'm giving you these special seeds, the master said. when not the cat awoke, he found seeds. Okay, and that's a detail. In his dream, the master. So, and it was in his dream. So, was that in real life, or it was just in his head? Head. So, is that non-literal, or literal? Non. So, circle that. Okay. And how can you tell? Well, it is not possible to receive physical things from his dreams. In other words, in a dream, the master said, "Hey, here's some special seeds." But then when he woke up, he actually had the seeds with him. So it's impossible for somebody to give you something when you're dreaming about it. Okay? It is not possible to receive it is not possible to receive physical things from dreams. Okay? Let's do just one more section. Okay? And then you can work on your reading packets. All right, so another detail from the text. It says that he went outside, and though the leaves were still falling, the weather was now as warm as summer. It is possible to have unusually warmer weather in autumn. Like in the fall, August, September, October, fall. There were some days it was pretty warm, right? So it is possible to have unusually warm weather in autumn. Oops, not 8. In autumn. So if something is possible, is that literal or non-literal? Literal, yes.